As we can see that last night the meeting on phone call between Thailand country and our prime minister with the US president. But in fact, it turned out to be we agreed to stop this war right now. I think at 2:30 a.m. last night, Thailand still continue doing the attacks. To be honest, I'm very disappointed. I don't understand why it's still happening, because maybe, as a rumor said, they have like internal conflict in terms of power. I don't know what else to say. I just want to make sure that everyone doing fine once again. And yeah, for the people who doing donation, make sure all the technology products such as like power bank or walkie-talkie, make sure all of those have nothing to do with GPS. Like the enemy not be able to tracking. Make sure everyone understand it. Another big issue is, I think the Preah temple has been attacked. We already knew that Preah temple is part of the UNESCO. I keep saying the same thing over and over because I want this to stop, to be honest. I don't want to keep like blaming the other side, because we trying our best, Cambodian people, Khmer people, we try our best to make sure our voice heard. You see, like example of Auskun Kanya right now, she in Australia, doing the protests and stuff. Other big name as well, PPD, they keep raising money. I think right now it's 70,000 something dollars. Yeah, it's a lot of money, and we make our voice heard, and also to the global audience as well. Everything like start to coming to our favor. So I'm very happy for it. I see some of my Thai friends as well, and I thought maybe like after my post, my sharing, they might dislike me, unfriend me, unfollow me. But when I see the post, they might just poke some fun at their government as well. So I think it's a positive sign that they start to understand, start to realize right now. I think the fall is not Cambodian, it's not Khmer people. So I hope, Thai people, Thai government come to their sense and make sure they giving us the solution that we deserve. No one wants this to happen ever. And I hope Thai people, Thai government understand this.